Torcraft TC601750 bolt cutter, 750mm or 30-inch. You might find that your jaws are damaged beyond repair. Now, it's not necessary to throw your bolt cutter away. We have a replacement set of jaws for each and every bolt cutter size. In this instance, the part number is TC601750-1. First of all, just loosen up the jaw adjustment bolt on the side of your bolt cutter by using a 12 wrench. Then by using a 14 wrench, loosen up the lock nut, and then the nuts on the bolts that holds down the jaws is also a 14 wrench. Just loosen that up, turn your bolt cutter around. So again, you're going to use either a 14 wrench or you can use a 14 socket. Once you're done with that, you are ready to install your new jaws. Just make sure that they're correctly lined up. Remove the old jaws. Put the new jaws in. Just put your bolts back. Screw them in again. Turn your bolt cutter around. Put the nuts onto the bolt again. Again, by using your 14 wrench, you can tighten these properly down. Last thing that still needs to be done here is just to take your 12 wrench again and adjust your jaw adjustment bolt. Tighten them down until you can see no more air gaps. And then the last step would just be to tighten down your lock nut right next to the jaw adjustment bolt. Tighten down using a 19 wrench. Tighten down those two nuts. And that is a brand new bolt cutter.